Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Rae of Diva-Me-Plz, a beginner nail tech, showing you my journey and hoping it helps you along your today's video. I will be showing you what these reflective gels look like on my nails against my skin complexion, so that you are able to see if you would like to try these out for yourself. If you haven't checked out my last video, make sure you do so. It is a mini unboxing, swatch, and review of this brand, Born Pretty. They sent me these colors to review on my channel, and y'all, just check out the last video. I ain't even gonna give y'all too much. And also make sure you check out my video on me doing my nails with Nail Addict from LA, Nail Addict LA, with their 9 free and vegan free colors. Aren't this pretty? So make sure you check that out. I'll link that video above for you guys. But let's go ahead and get into today's video. I know I have 6 colors here and only 5 fingers, so I will be ranking them from 1 to 5, my favorite colors, and you know, leaving out my least favorite. All right, so let's get straight into it. Let me apply the base coat real fast. So these are false nail tips, press on tips that I received from Your Nail Lab by McCart in my Luxe edition. I applied them using top and gel, or top and base coat gel polish. So I kind of did it like a Gel X, and I know I mentioned in my last video, I like to try new services on myself before I try doing it on a client, because I always want to put my best foot and best work forward, and I don't want to just be trying something new on a client. So that is how I applied these. So as you can see, I have air bubbles. It was my first time doing the Gel X style, and I know these, like I said, not Gel X tips. They are press-ons that I applied like Gel X. So again, let's get to the base coat. I am using my non-dominant hand to polish my dominant hand, so bear with me guys, this may not be super perfect. I'm excited to see how these reflective gels are going to look against this natural color tip instead of using a clear swatch stick. Like, is it going to be more pigmented or not? Or not? Or not? It is so hard using your non-dominant hand and trying to be perfect. All right, so let's cure it. All right, gel polish or gel base applied. So let me tell y'all my favorite to least favorite colors. All right, so I would definitely say my least favorite is the Vast Seas, and I say that just because it is your basic silver color. So you can pretty much find this in any bodies, polishes. I feel like with just, you know, a regular glitter, it doesn't have to necessarily be reflective, but I feel like this is, you know, your basic. So my absolute favorite has to be the Bright Sparkler, and that is the one with the purple. So let me do this. Well, let me open all of these first. So again, my favorite is the Bright Sparkler. My second favorite would definitely have to be Snow Area Iron Shine. And then I have to go with the Idyllic World, however you pronounce it, which has like the rose gold like color. And then Dream of Space and Fire Tree. I feel like they're kind of tied because they're kind of close to being like the same color to me. So 4 or 5, 5, 4. Whatever. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the pinky and make my way up to the thumb, since the thumb is, you know, well, I may put my favorite on my middle finger. All right, so starting with Fire Tree on the pinky. Looks cute. And then we have Dream of Space. Okay, so I lied. So this color is more closer to, I mean, like, this is just basically like a gold, and I prefer gold more than silver. So I would say that this color definitely would be 5 for me, and then this would be 4. And then I'm going to put Bright Sparkler on my middle finger, because this is my favorite. Y'all know I love purple. If you don't, now you do. If you don't know, now you know. I know I'm not by myself when I just do these random outbursts of songs and stuff on while I'm talking. How is that looking, y'all? And then I'm going to put the, what is this, Snow Area on my index. And then last but not least, the Idyllic World. I know I can't pronounce stuff. Okay, so this is what it is looking like after it has cured. What do you guys think? What do you think? So let's go in with the second coat. It's not perfect because I'm using my non-dominant hand. Don't talk about me too bad in the comments, y'all. What are you guys thinking about this second coat? Making it a bit deeper color. And last but not least, my favorite. You guys really have to go and check these out. I will definitely link the link down below so that you are able to try these colors out as well. You can find them on Amazon. Freaking gorgeous. All right, let's cure it. All right, this is how it is looking cured. The second coat has cured. This is so pretty, y'all. I'm really liking this. All right, so let's go ahead and top coat it. Watch it shine more than what it already is. It's freaking gorgeous. I really need to learn how to use thin coats. I'm being super wasteful. And then I always lose my shape, but it's not too bad. So this is how it looks with the top coat. Let's cure it. So that is going to wrap up today's video. This is how they look like after they have been cured for 60 seconds. I'm freaking loving these colors, and I definitely encourage you guys to go and give these reflective gel colors by Born Pretty a shot. I will link the link down below for you guys off of Amazon. So that is going to again wrap up today's video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and make sure you leave me a comment of what you think of these colors down below. Like I said, these are the 2 best colors, but let me know what you think is the best color. Share this with all of your other beginner nail tech friends so that we can all learn and grow together. Follow me on social media on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok at DivaMePlz, and consider subscribing to my channel. I upload every Tuesday and Friday. I have reviews, unboxings, swatches, do my nails with me, as well as some vlogs coming soon. Make sure that notification bell is ringing so that you're notified every time I upload and you're not late to the party. Until next time, guys, bye.